This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper Para 24. President Mamnoon Hussain paid tribute to leaders of Pakistan movement and millions of people who rendered immense sacrifices in their struggle to carve out a separate homeland and called for following in the footsteps of forefathers to collectively realize cherished goals and objectives. Full stop. The President was addressing the Pakistan Day parade held after a gap of 7 years as part of Pakistan Day celebrations here in Islamabad on March 23rd, 2015. Full stop. The President said that the best way to tribute to leaders of Pakistan movement is to emulate their struggle and commitment and put the country on trajectory of progress, growth and development. Full stop. President Mamnoon Hussain stated that 75 years ago our forefathers sought a separate homeland and realized that dream in just 7 years. Full stop. It was an unprecedented event in the annals of history. Full stop. The President reiterated that the destination in the realization of a democratic, peaceful, prosperous, developed and educated Pakistan, where every Pakistani would be free to live life according to his her belief, and the country would be purged of any linguistic, regional and religious prejudices. Full stop. The President stated that Pakistanis are a brave nation which, despite facing many adversities, withstood it all and remained steadfast. Full stop. 60 years ago, Pakistan started off from scratch and within only 5 decades became an atomic power, said the President. Full stop. The President noted with satisfaction that a consensus-based national action plan against terrorism and extremism has been formulated, expressing hope that the unity of nation all defeat the twin menace once and for all. Full stop. The President said that today Pakistan is facing many challenges and called for making concerted efforts to overcome these problems. Full stop. Paying tribute to personnel of armed forces and law enforcement agencies valiantly fighting the terrorists, the President reiterated that Operation Zarb-e-Azab would continue till its logical conclusion. Full stop. I myself would go to the battle fronts and embrace the brave sons of soil gallantly fighting the dark forces of terrorism and extremism, affirmed the President. Full stop. The President also paid tribute to martyrs of Army Public School, adding that their sacrifices have proved that enemies cannot deter the resolve of Pakistani nation. Full stop. The President reiterated that Pakistan is a peace-loving country and believes in global peace, which is evident from participation of braved personnel of Pakistan armed forces in numerous peacekeeping missions of United Nations. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shadra.